welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of my brand new gouache paints and give you some tips on using gouache. So this is a set of 12 colors of 40 ml each from the Russian brand Nevskaya Palitra. Masterclass Gouache Extra Fine Artist Quality Paints. I really like their range of watercolors, so I'm having very high expectations from their gouache set. So this brand claims to provide professional quality art supplies for very low prices. So this video is not sponsored. I bought this set for myself because I really needed a new one and it cost me around 1300 Indian rupees. So it's going to be my honest review. I think that this is a good status kit since you get a lot for a really low price. This set contains the basic shades so you can mix them to make the desired colors. Also there's another set that has more variety of colors but has less quantity. So let's do the swatches first before any further ado. Let's go. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a cardboard packaging. Also, good thing is that every bottle has the name in English and in Russian. So that's a good thing. Now let's try them out. So I'm gonna try the Zinc White one first. So the colors look nice and creamy. And there, I'll take a little bit. Also, they are easy to pick. So this is the white one. Next is yellow light. So as you can see, the colors are really nice and bright. You can see the consistency, it's quite thick and creamy in texture. It's wet and easy to pick. I'll mix a little bit and just take the swatch. Also, I would say that it's very important that you create your own swatch set and keep it for your reference before you start to paint. It just gives you an idea what you're gonna use in your painting. So you should always create your swatch set. Next is gold ochre. Just take a little bit. So what I see here is that some colors are totally opaque and some are semi-opaque, so you can see through them. So you'll have to use 2 to 3 layers to get an opaque opacity. You can see this is semi-opaque. Next color is Madder Lake Red. Color is like cherry red shade. You can see brilliant red, more like a maroon shade. This color is also semi-opaque as I can make out. Next is red. This goes more like an orangish red, more towards orange. Just take a little bit. So this one is opaque, 100% opaque. Next is burnt umber. So also I would say that you should never rely on the colors you see in the bottles, because most likely gouache when dries on the paper is different from when it is fresh in the bottles. Also, it can dry darker or lighter from when it is wet. Also, making a swatch set also helps you to decide on the colors you want to make the painting with, and also if they dry darker or lighter, you can decide by seeing the swatch set. This is the burnt umber shade. So this is also opaque. These colors are really nice, I would say. Next up is bright green. Bright green shade. I'll mix it a bit and just take a little bit and make the swatch. There. This is semi-opaque. So making, pastel colors is very easy. You just have to mix white with these shades, so you get the pastel shades. The next shade is green deep. I really like the consistency. It's creamy and thick and just right for applying directly on the paper. This shade is opaque. So there are some tips that I would like to tell you after we are done with the swatches. Next up is Russian blue. Always mix the color properly and then use. This is semi-opaque shade, as I can see. Next is Ultramarine. This is also semi-opaque. Next is Violet Deep. This is really nice, deep violet color. Thick. This color is also semi-opaque. You'll have to use 2 to 3 coats to get an opaque opacity. The last one is Lamp Black. So from what I see now is that they have really good coverage, and I realized that there are some colors that are totally opaque, like this black one, and the yellow light, white, burnt umber, red, and green deep, and some are semi-opaque, like this madder lake red, gold ochre, and this ultramarine blue, violet deep, Russian blue, bright green, gold ochre. All these are semi-opaque colors. So you will have to do 2 to 3 coats to get a good opacity on the paper. And because this set is inexpensive, there's a lot less pressure to create something perfect, and that is a good thing when you will be able to experiment with the colors and understand values of the gouache. So for me, it's a thumbs up set. So swatches are almost done and the colors have dried fast. The pigments are really strong. So I'm quite happy with the purchase. I like the finishing. I love the colors. They are really brilliant and nice.